Welcome, everyone, to Office Hours. This is the stream where we help you out with whatever math and science questions you have in your schoolwork, homework, quizzes, tests, get you all prepped, and you get to earn rewards by asking questions. And you also get rewards just for showing up, honestly. So stick around, learn some fun stuff. Let's see. We have a question already from Pretty Little Bitch. Who's Pretty Little Bitch, by the way? This is Ruda. Who's this new person you brought whose name is Pretty Little Bitch? And you guys be nice to each other. Don't tell each other to screw off. Jesus. Okay, cool. All right. Thank you, Mason. Mason has brought in the first question. Let's pull this in.
Mason, do you take that quiz yet?
Quiz for what?
For math.
Oh yeah, that was today. It's only 10 questions.
Oh, it's easy?
Yeah. There's only like one thing I don't know.
What is it? Grouping, trinomials, difference of squares.
I'm not sure what it was called, but it was like it kind of looked like it was factored already. I wasn't really sure about it.
I also got a question too, but
All right, let me answer Mason's real quick. Yeah, again, always post screenshots. Unless it's not school related. Then I'll answer whatever question you have. Okay, cool. All right.
Yeah.
Masons, you got this question here. It says, simplify the expression completely if possible. Okay, cool. Simplify, right? So what does that mean to you when someone says, like, simplify something?
Well, in this case, you just gotta factor both sides and then just try to get it as simple as possible.
Good. Yeah, you want to get it in,
You guys low.
smallest?
right? Yeah. So what's something? So you're right. Factoring is eventually what you want to do. What's something I could factor out of?
Can you share your screen on Discord?
I can actually. Good point. Thank you for reminding me about that. There we go. Cool. Can you guys see it on Discord too?
You want to look for a GCF always.
A GCF, greatest common factor. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, GCF is correct. GCF, which is like what's the biggest thing that goes into all of this stuff in the top and the bottom, right?
16 and X.
16 and X into the top, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So you can pull 16X out, right? And then what do you have left?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. Good. Okay.
And the bottom is a
4X cubed. Yeah. My Twitch is Brinksy. Cool. We'll do it in the Twitch visuals, but thank you. And actually, I should just change your name. I should change your nickname, dude. BRXNZY. Cool. There you go. Now you have the same name. All right. So what else can we simplify here, Masons?
Well, I was thinking if there was a way to simplify books.
the top and bottom.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Correct answer.
Could you?
Yeah. What do you think you could do here, Mason? Yeah. Let's think about it.
So my teacher said you want to try to get like at least one of the parts like the same. So like have 16x or like an x minus 1 the same, so you could divide them off.
Right. Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to try and get something here on the top to match something here on the bottom. So what we can do is we can rewrite this whole thing here as 16x over 4x cubed times x minus 1. So like don't even worry about the x minus 1 right now, okay?
Not yet.
Right?
So simplify those two terms, right?
Yeah. So what can we simplify here? So even if you want to break this down even more here, Mason, you could do 16 over 4 times x over x cubed. Do you see that?
Okay.
What's 16 over 4?
4 over 1.
Yeah, good, yeah. 4, right? And then what's x over x cubed?
X squared.
No. Mason.
1 over x squared.
Yeah, Mason, yeah.
Is x squared?
It's 1 over x squared. See, because this is technically x to the 1. And you always do this. Good, yeah, you do. So what you're really doing is if you ever have x to the a divided by x to the b, you're really doing x to the a minus b, okay?
Yeah, we did that. Remember, Mason? You always, especially with the exponents, we bring it down.
So this is x to the 1 minus 3, which is x to the minus 2, okay? And what do we know about negative exponents?
You need to bring it to the top.
You need a what, sorry?
Bring it to the top.
No.
Like if it's on the bottom. Or
Well,
you just, like, switch
yeah, no. If I just have x to the minus 2, right? So anytime I have a negative exponent, it's the same thing as writing 1 divided that
Yeah.
as a positive exponent, okay?
You just, if it's in the denominator, then you bring it to the top, and if it's in the numerator, you bring it to the bottom.
Right. So if it's down here, right? Oh yeah, okay, good. Oh, okay. You're talking about, like, for instance, if it was 1 over x to the minus 2, then yes, this would become x to the 2. You're correct. Correct
We
about that.
move the x to the first power to the wait. So we put it to the top. Oh, a minus b.
Well, it's a minus b, right? So it's 1 minus 3, which is negative 2, and right, you're on the top. So negative always flips whether you're on the top or the bottom. So this is going to become 1
I
over.
automatically put that negative 2 into the bottom denominator.
Well, yeah, but you want to make sure you don't put a negative here. Don't do that.
Yeah, I know.
Right. Okay. Cool. Right. Good. So this is just going to be times 1 over x squared. Okay. And then okay. So let's get rid of this shit. And then you're still times, right? X minus 1, right? So then, Mason, I can combine all these things together, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to get 4 times x minus 1 all over x squared.
X squared.
Yeah, nice. And I think that's the simplest you could make it, honestly.
Yeah, that seems good.
If I'm not, I mean, when I saw this originally, I was like, this is almost like a difference of squares, right? Let's say this was 16x squared minus 16. Let's just.
If there was no x, it would be a difference of squares.
Right. What would this be as a difference of squares? Mason, you answer this. What would this be as a difference of squares?
4x plus 4, then 4x minus.
Good. Very good. Nice. Yeah. Round of applause for Mason, dude. Nice. Good job. All right. Cool. Awesome. Does that answer your question, Mason? Does that make more sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, man, dude. Nice. I'll give you credit for that. Yeah. What's up?
The guy got kicked out of class. I didn't really learn.
Grim. Yeah, cause you got kicked out of class because you were name calling your teacher, dog. Don't do that.
Wait, what was it?
No. What's up?
The question in office hours.
Okay, let me see. All right, let me see. First person who put another question is Grim. Okay, good job, Grim. You did put the next question. Where's yours? Oh, Philip. Oh, yours is. Oh, sorry. I thought that was Mason's. You're so right. Here.
Wait, what did we get as the final answer? I didn't see.
For what?
For the one that we did for Mason.
Oh, right here.
I don't think that's correct.
No? What do they say the
Yeah.
answer is?
Distribute it. You have to distribute the well, you have to FOIL it.
They want you to distribute that? Really? They want.
4x minus 4 over x squared. It has
No.
to be like that.
Well, no, it was the simplest.
Well, I mean,
Sure.
okay, technically this is like 4 over x minus 4 over x squared. I mean, this is what I would consider the simplest.
Yeah, that's what the thing said.
Okay, good. Yeah, simplest is kind of a you're good. You're good for checking me, dude. Simplest is kind of an opinion sometimes, but
Also, Philip, what she posted, that's what I didn't know how to do either.
you didn't know how to do this one.
I'm doing it.
Ooh, she's a big bitch. Wow, fuck. All right, first of all, let me like rewrite this because this resolution is shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I can kind of see what we can start with and how to do it. But I don't think. Can we do it with a trinomial? Can we take out 3 in parentheses 3 minus 4x? Can we take that out?
Yeah, you could. So we could take 3 minus 4x out,
Alright.
and then what would this
We're
become?
gonna be left with 5, 3 minus 4x,
Mhm.
and then minus 8, and then parentheses 5x minus 1.
Correct. Yeah, good. So Philip did have a good realization here, which is that because you have a 3x minus 4 squared and a 3x minus 4 squared, you can pull this out into here.
Mm-hmm. So
You can-
that's I'm completely outside.
Right. Yeah, exactly. And that's nice because now, you're dealing with something. Luckily, these are pretty easy, right, to just multiply through.
Okay, so-
Doing this would be a huge bitch, right?
So now do we just distribute to 5?
Yeah, exactly. So what's that going to
It's
be?
gonna be 15 minus 20x.
Uh-huh.
Minus 40x.
Good.
Plus 8.
Good. Why is it plus 8?
Negative.
Good. So do you guys see there's a negative here
now-
and a negative here? That's why it becomes plus 8.
Parentheses 3 minus 4x.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna combine like terms.
Good.
right?
Yeah, combine like terms. Good job.
15 and 18, that's gonna be 23.
23.
cross those two out, and then negative 20x and negative 40x is negative 60x.
Good. Thank you, Bomby Boy. I love my hair too.
That's it.
Wait. If it's a negative, wouldn't they add? Who's saying it's a negative? Well, they kind of do, Raiden, right? Sorry, I gotta go through the. Helps if you're in the Twitch chat. All right, you're in the office. Okay, I gotta go. Saturday's gonna be wild. Yes. So wouldn't it be -9? He says. What do you mean -9? Which -9 are you looking at, Raiden?
I think he wants to add.
What does he want to add? -9. Where is he?
-8 and the -1 and the second line.
Oh, you talking about this? You talking about this, Raiden, dude?
We multiply those, right?
Yeah, this multiplies by both of them, Raiden. So you do 8 times 5x, and then you do 8 times 1, which is -8 times -1. That's why it's going to be +8.
A negative times a negative.
Yeah. You're not adding them, Raiden. It's okay. Yeah, you're not doing 8 plus 1. You're doing 8 times 1.
Would that be the final answer?
Oh, we're not done yet. This is cool. But I assume they want you to expand this next. Is what they want you to do. Okay, bye, Raiden. It's nice to see you, dude.
Is that what we have to do?
I think so. Well, I mean, technically this is nice because these are two. Again, this is the whole problem with like simplified the expression because like I don't know, like this is simple. It's not. It is pretty simple. I mean, we could expand this is what you could do next, right? But do you guys have answers? Do you guys have answers to this?
Yeah. So I have it on the delta math kind of.
All right, so just check. What's up, Nolan? Good to see you, bro. Oh, the fuck.
Yeah, that was correct.
That was correct? Okay, cool. This is the simplest. You could foil this if you wanted to, but then this is gonna become fucking messy. So that's the debate about whether it's cleaner or not. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Did that answer your question?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Philip.
Mason. Do you understand splitting the middle?
Splitting. You mean like completing the square?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's called completing the square. Do you guys call it split the middle?
So it's like, we take the x squared, the coefficient of that, and the third term, and then we multiply it to.
You're talking about like more complicated factoring. Yeah. We can do that later. Let me. Yeah. Factoring trinomials. Let me help with Grim, and then Raiden. Are you here? If I answer your question, dude. No, he left, right? Oh fuck. Okay, whatever. All right. I got an 83% on my math test. Good job, Nolan, dude. 83 is not bad. I mean, we want you to get an A, but 83 is not bad. What do they say? B's get degrees or something? C's get degrees? We have 2 baby whatevers. Now we have baby Tanjiro and baby Connect. Dude, how am I gonna tell you guys apart now, dude? What? You're sus, dude. Yeah, what? Why are you guys changing your names? Or is that fucking Grim, dude? Is Grim, are you causing trouble again, dude?
No, I just like the name.
Okay. All right, dude. All right. I'm still gonna call you Grim. Dude.
Just put Kaneki, man.
All right, y'all. I feel like sometimes I got like 2 like younger brothers who like keep fighting over the cereal or something. Sometimes with you too.
I'm the oldest.
Like y'all need to chill, dude. Like just. You're the oldest? No, you're twin brothers. Shut the fuck up. All right. All right. Grim, you need help with this? Do you actually need help with this? Do you want to learn?
Yes, I got kicked out of class. What do you mean? Do I want to learn?
I don't know. Well, you obviously didn't want to learn if you got kicked out of class. So, like,
I was distracted with this guy.
I know. Do you want to learn now? That's my question. You want to learn right now?
I want to learn now.
Okay, excellent. Thank you, Grim. Okay, here we go. All right. So they're saying here, consider the function f of x is 2x minus 8, and they're asking you what f of 8 is. Grim, do you know what f of 8 means? Do you know what it means when they ask for that?
Oh, I know.
I know you know, Phil, but let's let Grim answer.
Multiplication?
Pardon?
Multiply x and f.
Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah. So usually so this is a common thing. Usually, or a common like misconception is that usually when you see parentheses, right, you think this is like f times 8, right? Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
X equals A.
Yeah, exactly. So what this is, do you see how this is f of x is equal to this, right?
Oh wait, did they plug it in?
Good. Yeah, this is a function, right? And so what that means is when you say f of 8, this is saying what is f of x if x is equal to 8. That's what it means when they put f of 8. It's not f times 8, it's f of 8 is technically what this is called. Okay? So what Grim, what would be f of 8 then?
Can you explain that again?
Sure, that's okay. Okay, so oh fuck, where's my pencil? God damn it. All right, we can have functions, Grim, right? So here's an example of a function, right? Y is equal to 2x plus 3, right?
Yeah.
That's a function.
Algebra.
Good, algebra, great, right. A function, right, takes in some value and then spits out another value, okay? Let's say this function was called y of x, okay? The value it takes in would be x. The value it would spit out would be y. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
Kind of.
It's not.
Well,
Because, like the function, if the function like it spits out is x, and how would y have the same function?
No. So okay, the function is called y of x. That's what it's called. All right, that's just the name of the function, right? Think of it as like a machine, like a magic fucking box or something. Okay, it was like a magic box. All right.
Yeah.
You put things into the magic box, and then things come out of the magic box, right? If the function is labeled as y of x, like y parentheses x, what that's telling you is that whatever value you put into this function is going to be x, and whatever value you get out is going to be y. Okay?
Okay.
So
The final result.
the final result will give you a y. So here let's have an example of like a real world thing. Let's say we're looking at how many kills you have on Warzone, okay? Okay.
You're trying to roast me, bro.
I'm not gonna roast you, dude. Don't worry. Okay. So let's say that the kills you have on Warzone is equal to y, and the number of games you've played.
Is x?
Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Played is x. Okay. How many kills do you get per game, Grim?
Like an average of like in Fortnite or
Let's do Warzone, because I like Warzone.
like in Warzone I get an average of 5 kills. per
5
game.
kills. 5 kills per game. Cool. All right. How could you write a function, Grim, that explains how many kills you've gotten after playing X number of games?
Y equals 5 and x equals like 3.
No, so it's y is equal to, you said 5 kills per game, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. It would be y is equal to 5x. This would be the function, okay?
Okay.
Do you see how this is something where, like, if I tell you how many games you've played, it'll tell me how many kills you've gotten?
Yeah.
So let's do some examples here. If you've played 0 games, how many kills have you gotten?
0.
0. Because what would happen here is x would be equal to 0, right? So y would equal to 5 times 0, which would equal 0, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's say you had 3 kills. Let's say you played 3 games. How many kills would you have?
Like about 15.
Good. And you can see why that is here, Grim, is because if x equals 3, you're going to get y is equal to 5 times 3, which is equal to 15, okay?
Okay.
So, in reality, what we call this whole thing, what we call this y equals 5x, we're going to actually call that y of x is equal to 5x, okay? What this does is this labels my function, telling me that it'll give me the value y if I plug in a value for x. So I will get the number of kills you got given the number of games you've played.
So like in science, we're like dependent and independent.
Perfect, thank you. Yes. Which one is the independent variable? Which one's the dependent variable here? X and y. Which one?
The dependent variable is how many games I play, and the independent variable is like how many kills.
Not quite. You got them flipped.
Independent variable is how many kills, and independent variable is how many games.
Good. Yeah. So the reason for this, Grim, dude. Okay, so dependent variables depend
On the independent.
Good, exactly. They depend on the independent, okay? So do you see how the number of kills you got depends on how many games you've played?
Yeah.
Right? The number of games you play doesn't depend on how many kills you got, right? So that's why, for instance, you have y of x is equal to 5x. This right here, y, this is the dependent variable. And then x right here, which is also this one, this is the independent variable. The independent variable is independent, which means it's the thing that you change, okay? So you change the number of games you've played, and as a result, the number of kills, the dependent, the y, is what changes based on the number of games you've played, okay? Okay. So in all these examples here, do you see how like when I asked like how many kills did you get with 0 games? Another way to write what I asked there was what was y of 0. This is another. Do you see how I did y of 0?
Yeah.
What would I write to see how many kills you got from 3 games? That would be y of what?
Y of 3.
Y of 3. Good. So you see how it's y parentheses 3 is equal to 15?
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go back. So this is a new function, right? This is a function f of x is what it is. So instead of being y of x, it's f of x. It doesn't matter what fucking letter they use for things, because this could be g of x. It's just a label on what the function is, okay? So you have a function that's equal to 2x minus 8, and they're asking you what is f of 8. So remembering what we did last time, what does it mean for us to say f of 8? What do I need to do?
You need to play. You need to get 8 kills per game.
No. I mean, if we were doing the kills per game, the 8 would mean you've played 8 games. Okay.
Okay.
So what you would do when we ask for what f of 8 is you're going to plug in to this function. Anywhere you see x, you're going to plug in 8.
Okay.
So what would that be?
Every game you have to plug in 8, right?
Yeah, every x you got to plug in 8. What do you got?
How many x's do we have right now?
Well, it said. Well, look, read it here, Grim dude. It said f of 8. What does that mean? What does it mean x is equal to if it's f of 8?
Then 8. Then like 8 times 8, 64.
No. Grim, are you playing video games?
Yeah, I'm playing at the same time.
Oh no! Stop playing video games. Stop playing video games.
Okay.
You can't play video game. You can't. Lesson to everyone: you can't play video games and learn, and it's frustrating, and it wastes my time. So don't do that.
Okay. So tell me again.
Well, we'll stop.
I don't have no
Here,
time
can
to
I
make
take over? Can I take over?
Yeah, stop playing video games. You need to concentrate on. If this is what I ask. Like, if you actually want to learn, you have to be focused because, like, otherwise, you're just gonna be like, I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Now, can I explain it soon?
All right, Grim, we're
I
at.
need to know the last few parts that happened.
God damn it.
Only the part where you said how many like 8 when you started from 8.
Okay. All right, Grim. All right. So, all right, here, let's put this on a new page. Okay.
Bro, we can still hear you play Fortnite.
Yeah, who's playing? Is someone else playing for you?
No, I'm just leaving it on. I'll turn off my TV if you want.
There you go. Yes, please turn off your TV. I don't want to hear that.
Okay.
I'm trying to teach you, and I'm hearing like some dude just popping off with a shotgun. Jesus Christ.
Done.
Okay, cool, Grim. Now that I have your attention, because again, this is important, Grim, dude. Like, you can't learn like passively. Like, I know like some of you kids, you want to learn by osmosis. You want to just like put your head in the book and just be like, yo, the knowledge will just come to me, dude. But that's not how life works. Life works when you focus on things. If you want things to change, if you want things to actually happen, you got to focus on them.
That was the problem with e-learning. Everybody was playing games. And
I guarantee you, dude. I guarantee fucking no one fucking learned shit during the quarantine because everyone was like not in lectures. They were just like.
I didn't.
I know.
I learned because I would
I
always
learned
just
a
be on my
lot.
phone all the
That's what
time in
that's what
school.
online
I would just be on my phone and I wouldn't.
Yeah. See, this is the issue. Is that there was no teacher to like tell you guys to be like, yo, you should actually like learn and stuff.
No, because all of the teachers just let us just walk around school with our phones out and stuff very late on the day.
Yeah. Yeah, that's bad. Where's that? Okay. All right.
I want to break free.
Wait,
I
can we
want
quickly
to
What?
break free.
add a graph? Because I kind of forgot. This was like...
We're gonna get to that. I need to get to this first. Grim. F of 8. Okay. Let's remember when I have a function that says f of x, right? This means the independent variable is x. The dependent variable is f of x. Okay. So when I write f of 3, that means I need to plug in x equals 3 into the function and just get a value, okay? So here I have f of x is 2x minus 8, and they ask you what f of 8 is. What does that mean I'm going to do with that 8?
That means you're gonna do multiple. You're gonna f of 3 equals x.
Well, it doesn't equal x
Okay,
equals 3, but...
Okay, so you're gonna multiply it by the amount of games played?
Well, no, there's nothing here to do with games. Like, the games, all that games and kills stuff, that was an example trying to teach you a concept. There's nothing here about video games or kills or whatever, okay?
You'll say the question again?
Okay, so f of 8, right? F of 8 means that I'm going to plug x equals 8 for everywhere. I'm going to plug in 8 for everywhere I see x in my function, okay? Do you see this is the function? Okay. If I plug 8 in for x, what is this going to equal to?
The second part or the first part?
Well, what's the second part? There's only one part. What's this?
Equals 2x minus 8.
Good. 2x minus 8, right? Okay, so now I'm going to substitute in 8 for x. So what am I going to get?
You're gonna get 16 minus 8.
Good. Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Nice.
Did it.
Cool. All right. Good, Grim. Okay. So now they're asking a new question here. They're saying, what is x, sorry, if f of x is equal to 20? Okay? What's that asking?
Let me go full screen on this.
So think backwards on this one.
Yeah, this one is thinking.
Okay, so x. Oh my god, that is blurry. Can you zoom in?
Yeah?
A bit blurry, yeah.
It is a little blurry, but I mean, that's the picture you sent.
It's x if fx equals 20. That'd be the same, wouldn't it? Because it has no x on the 20.
All right, here. I'll make it a little bigger for you so you can see it.
Here.
All right. So this is what they're asking.
So,
What is x if f of x is equal to 20, okay? So let's go back to our function, right? Which is f of x. Let's go back to what this is, Grim. Do you see this? Because that's the function they're referring to when we do everything here, okay? They say f of x is equal to 2x minus 8, okay? And now they're asking, what is x if f of x is equal to 20? So where I have this f of x here, I'm just going to write a 20. Because, okay, equals 2x minus 8. Now they're asking me, what is x?
That'd be a.
No.
No, that'd be 20.
20. Well, so you got to do algebra here. You got to do algebra here, Grim.
Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense.
How do we solve for x? How do we solve for x doing algebra here?
Do an inverse operation and add 8.
Good. Add 8 to both sides.
Yeah, that'd be 28. 28 equals 2x. That'd be x equals 14.
Good. Wow. Good job, Grim. Grim's learning. Love.
wait,
Okay.
my mic has been muted this whole time.
Maybe. I don't know.
Are you kidding me?
I gotta change my bio. Everyone's finding out it's me by my bio.
Okay, yeah. Also, word to the wise, if y'all have different names from the Twitch and the Discord, you don't get bond coins. So, just Like
So I won't get bank coins if I don't change my name from Grim to
your
Econiki?
your Twitch name and your Discord name need to be the same. I don't care how that happens.
Okay.
They got to be the same. They don't have to be exactly the same. They have to be close enough that I can figure it out. Like some of you guys have like, I don't know, like Janice 6, but then you're like, yeah, you're fine, Philip, because I know who you are. Because you're Philip and then you're Flipper. That's close, right? They need to be close. I can't have someone being like Dark Moon 69 and then like, I don't know, like Red Dragon Sun 3. I have no fucking clue that those are the same people. Janice, yeah, there you go. Yeah, make sure.
You need to remind me number 2 because I haven't done graphic forever.
Okay, good. All right, so Grim, next question here. Cool. Graph the function y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3.
No problem. I can't change my username for another 47 days.
In what?
Yeah, in Twitch.
So you can change your nickname on Discord.
You can change your nickname on Discord.
That's free.
What?
But in the server only, so you can or Dr. Gold can do it for you.
Yeah, I'll do it for you, dude. Like which fucking one are you, dude? Baby Zeruto, dude. Like what? Dude, can you guys stop like?
It's Grim Reaper.
Yeah, I'm changing you, dude. You're Grim Reaper. That's who you are.
So you want to right click on his name.
I already did it. I did it for him. Wait, now there are 2 Grim Reapers? God damn it!
You did the wrong one.
Oh my god, dude. You guys are the worst, dude. Wait, and you had the same profile pictures?
Grim, I'm a drop kick you in your chest, bro. Chill, bro.
Oh my god, you guys are
you in your chest, man.
You guys are literally okay.
You're out of pocket.
Zeruto.
We don't have
Hot pockets.
I need help for 8 questions. Yes, TV head Luke. Yes, thank you. You can put them in. I don't know if I'll get to all 8, but you can put them in there.
Okay. Let's continue.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool. Graph the function y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. Do you know how to do this, Grim?
Y equals 1/2.
Negative 1/2 x plus 3.
Oh, okay. So, I'm guessing this is actually real algebra.
It's not algebra. It's graphing. Okay. First thing is we need to draw a graph. This is fucking blurry as fuck. I can't fucking see it, so I'm just gonna make you a new one.
Just send a clearer picture.
No, it's okay. Dude, sticky keys? Shut the fuck up, Windows. Dude, who the fuck thought sticky keys was a good idea, like, ever?
I know, right?
The fuck is sticky keys? Sticky keys is what happens when you're fucking masturbating too much on your fucking keyboard, dude. Like, what the fuck? Sticky keys? Stop! What the fuck you want, Windows? Sticky keys? I will choke you, Windows.
Then you were afraid I'd get you banned.
Dr. Gold, who corrupted your childhood?
Dude, who fucking the Excel clipboard? What's his name? Clippy? Oh my god, dude.
It's because you're pressing shift too fast.
Dude, I'm gonna disable this shortcut right now, dude. Use sticky keys. No. Sticky keys.
Because you're pressing shift 5 times.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I disabled it. Okay, cool.
5 times.
All right. Grim. This is a Oh wow, nice. Thank you, TV head Luke. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine.
Let me try going on Desmos.
Desmos? No. You need to do this by yourself. No, bro, come back here, dude. Get off Desmos.
Yeah, no, bro, boy, no, you don't need no calculator.
You don't. Yeah.
baby.
First of all, you don't get a calculator on your test. You don't get Desmos on your test, dude. You have to be able to. No.
You can use calculator on your test.
Yeah, but not all
You have a
tests.
clip from Radicals, I think.
Okay. Here's how to graph functions, Grim. An easy way to do it, surefire way to do it, dude, is to make a table. Have you ever done this before? Create a table?
I think I have.
Okay. You're going to make a table of x and y values, and what you're going to do is you're going to just plug in numbers for x and see what you get for y. Okay?
Okay.
So what's a number for x? Just come up with any fucking number. I don't care what it is.
Sideways.
Sideways is not a number.
Okay,
We're
Boy, I was about to say a number.
Here, I'll 20 is too big. Let's go something small, dude. Here, I'm going to pick 0. I'm going to pick 0. I'm going to pick 0. I like 0. All right? So I'm going to pick x equals 0. And now what I'm going to do is anywhere in this function I see x, I'm going to plug 0 in to figure out what y is. So what happens when x equals 0? What does y equal to?
Y equals to x equals 0. Y equals to 0?
No.
Or 1?
No.
3.
Oh, no. Don't shout the answer, guys. I want him to figure it out. All right. X equals to 0 here, right? You have y is equal to negative 1/2 times 0 plus 3. What is this all equal to, Grim?
Wait, but how did you get 3?
Because there's a 3 right here.
In the equation.
It's in the equation, dude. You see this?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
See how y is equal to 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doing okay there, bud?
I'm mad at my keyboard for fucking up, but okay. All right. I'm going to pick another number. Let's pick x equals to 2. What is y equal to now?
Negative 1/2 times 2.
Which is what?
2, 1. 2. I don't know.
What'd you say?
2 plus 3. I'm like confused.
All right. What's
how
you do negative 1/2, Grim, and then you're going to times it by 2, and then you're going to add 3, right? See anywhere I see x, I'm going to put a 2 in?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I do this?
Take out that part.
What's negative 1/2 times 2?
Negative 1/2 times 2 is 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Okay. So now I have negative 1 plus 3. What's negative 1 plus 3? What'd you say? Say it again. You might cut out.
2.
2. Good.
Nice.
Good.
It was confusing because I forgot that if you have a 1/2, it makes it half of the number.
Yeah. Well,
0.
another way to do this, Grim. Dude, this is multiplying fractions, right? So if I have 1/2 or negative 1/2 times 2, that's the same.
Would be 0.5.
That's true. That's a decimal, but I want you guys to be able to do it with fractions. 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. You always just multiply the top, you multiply the bottom. So you get negative 2 divided by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is just negative 1.
So how?
Because in algebra, one of my teachers said that like if you turn what's it called, a fraction upside down, it
Yeah.
cancels it out.
Yes. I mean, that's true. Yeah, that's called the reciprocal. So 1/2 is technically the reciprocal of 2, because 2 over 1. You see how these are flipped?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when they multiply by each other, you're right. The 2 cancels with the 2, and then you have 1 over 1, which is just equal to 1. But there's a minus sign here, so that's why it's minus 1.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so now what you have is you have 2 points here, Grim, right? So now we can graph the function. So this is a series of points where x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So on my graph, remember that this axis is x, this axis is y. So I'm going to go to x equals 0, which is right here. And then I'm going to go up to y equals 3, which is 1, 2, 3. So this is my point. Okay?
Yeah.
Where would I put the other point?
The other point would be, wait, that's a 3, right? Okay, the other point would be a 2.
2 for x, right? So 1, 2. And then I got to go up 2 for y. So 1, 2. So now it's right here. Okay?
Diagonal line.
Good.
Point zeros.
Right. This technically what this is called a linear function because it just has an x. It doesn't have an x squared. It doesn't have anything crazy. So you only need 2 points to graph this. So what you can do is you can just draw a line between these two. And then you're done.
Okay.
Cool? Functions graphed.
Yep.
Nice. Okay. And the rest of these are similar. These are good practice. You should do 3 and 4 by yourself, and you should see if you can get it. To just make sure you learned it. If you didn't get it, you can come back and watch this video. You can come back and watch what I taught you on this on the first one to try and figure out the next one.
Yeah.
Cool?
I feel so bad that I wasted a lot of time.
It's okay. You learn, but don't do it again next time.
You learn once you learn.
All right, congrats, Grim. You get a point. Yay, bond coin for Grim. Nice, good question asked.
Question.
What's up, Philip?
Zarto, am I allowed to call your girlfriend future sister-in-law?
No, dude, stop that.
So,
Philip, what's your question?
So remember when we talked about entropy?
Yeah.
So here, I'll send you snipping tool.
All right. Yeah, snip that. Let me help out TV Luke first because he posted something first. Let me get his first in. TV Head Luke, are you here, bro? See if he's in the chat. Okay, Philip's got the question there. TV heads, yes. Okay, bro. All right. Let's see. I probably have time for one or two of these, and then I want to answer Philip's question.
Mine's really quick.
Yes, you may join the voice chat. Are you in the voice chat? You want to hop into office hours waiting room, and then I'll pull you into office hours. Yes. This is a good example of how this works. You got a question? Post it in the thing. Cool. All right, you're in, Luke. What's up, dude?
Hello, Joey.
Hey, what's up? What's going on, man? All right, let's see. This is your question, right? Can you see the stream, Luke?
Two. Yes, sir. I have it on my phone.
Okay, good. All right. So, here's the question. It says, Mai is driving a race car. The table below gives the distance, d of t in meters. And then the time here, t. Okay. So they're asking you to figure out the average rate of change for the distance driven from 0 to 2 seconds. Do you know what the equation for average rate of change is?
I think so. I don't fully know. Do you mind giving me a refresher, please?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I got you, dude. Okay. So if you have a bunch of y values and x values, okay? Zerudo, what are you saying, dude? Zerudo, they're not going to mute you, dude. Okay, cool. All right. Average rate of change. Between 2 points, right? Between
hear him.
Okay, whatever. Well, just turn his volume down. Or here, I muted him anyways. Okay. Is change in y divided by the change in x. Okay? Or this can also be the change in, for instance, f of t divided by the change in t. It could also be like, for instance, the change in distance divided by the change in time. Okay? Rate of change is almost always going to be the change of something divided by the change in the time that happened. Okay? Does that make sense, Luke?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay, cool. All right. Grim redeemed hydrate. I will drink some water because I did run before this and I'm fucking thirsty.
Okay. Let me whip out my calculator. Give me a second.
You don't need it.
I don't. Okay. Oh, gee. Oh my gosh. 71.2 seconds. I mean, 71.2. Yeah.
Initial, yeah.
Okay. 2 seconds. You would have the distance from 2 to 4 seconds, and you'll have 166.4 minus 71.2. 4 to 10. Uh, mhm. 239.6. Your distance was 166.4. Uh, 6 seconds? Oh. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Cool. A lot of them are rate of change, so.
Mechanical, welcome. Bill 8. We did.
Upload.
Alright, let me pull that one up.
There we go. Oh.
Use a graph of the function, find its average rate from the action. X equals 4. X equals. Oh, I know this.
Yes, sir.
Sir. 7th grade days. I remember doing this in the 7th grade.
Mm-hmm.
Not the graph.
For you look on the graph of where it says y equals -1.
Plug it in.
All right. That'll be +1, if I'm correct on that.
That's your rate of change.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. For me, it was a bit awkward because in my time zone it's 5:57. Colorado.
Lucky. Wait, what part?
Yeah.
Wait, what part though? I
Yeah.
go there every year for skiing at Copper Mountain.
Problem is the smog. That's the only problem I am. Mhm. Mhm. Uh, it is the triangle thing of y and the Yeah, triangle thingy. Why? Okay. No, never mind. Yeah. All right. Yes. X equals 3, so then you'll have it in like two equations. And then for the first one, you have x equals 3, and then you put it through the question. And then the second equation, you do the same thing, but you have x equals 7. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Sweet.